going to be showing you two patchwork techniques. This one here, and then this one here. So first we're going to take our two little patches and we're going to place them one on the front and one on the back and plop a couple of pins in. And when you're choosing fabric for something like this, it's ideal if you pick something that's nice and sturdy. So what I'm going to do is basically do a decorative stitch around this edge. I'm just going to do a simple satin stitch for this one. So coming up on the inside and then down on the outside. So with this one, I'm going to try a buttonhole stitch, which is a slightly different stitch. So I'm going to go down inside here and then come up on the outside inside this loop here. And then I'm going to pull down on the inside, up on the outside, and then pull. And this is nice too because it's actually going to hold the layers of the fabric together even further. So that's a few ways that you can try mending your own clothing.